You have built your Agentforce agent, you have tested it and it works great. So what now? How do you actually get it in front of your customers? This is where deployment comes in. Keep watching to find out how you can deploy your AI agent in Agentforce. Hello everyone, I'm Shrey Sharma, your Salesforce Hulk. If you have followed this AI video series, then you know we have built AI agents, added prompts and actions to them, integrated flows and whatnot. So now it is time for you to deploy your AI agent to Experience Site and let your users or customers interact with it. And if you're still on the first step of Agentforce, then I'll send you all the videos you need to watch right in your inbox. Just sign up for the Salesforce Hulk newsletter from the link in the description. It will be a weekly guide for all your Salesforce updates, news, tools, and other useful information. Let's get to deployment now. Deployment in Agentforce simply means that we need to put our finished AI agent in the right place so that users, customers, or employees can use it. In this case, we are talking about deploying it on a Salesforce Experience Site, which is basically your customer-facing portal. Now you might ask, why deploy it on Experience Site? Well, it makes your AI agent visible and usable. Whether it's a support portal, a self-service knowledge base, or a customer login area, this is where your customers will be coming. So putting your Agentforce agent here means they will get instant access to help, support, and automate. Ready to look at the demo? Let's begin. So we have to follow multiple steps. First is to create an agent and activate it. I have already created a bank agent. Next step is to enable the omni-channel. We will go to omni-channel settings. Click on enable and continue and accept all the policies. In this, just click on the automatically log agent to omni-channel in the window or tab. Once your omni-channel is enabled, then we have to go to the routing configuration. I am choosing the name as testing routing configuration and filling other details here. Save everything. Now, once routing configuration is completed, we have to create a fallback queue. For that, we'll just create a queue. A fallback queue is required when agent is not available, agent is not answering. So the messaging session should go back to a queue. I am just labeling it as my fallback queue. Here we have to select the routing configuration that we have created, and here we have to select the messaging session as an object. Now once the fold queue is created, you have to go back to the agent. Here you have to go to the bank agent, and in this go to the connection, and here you will see one omni-channel flow. Basically, we have to make an omni-channel flow which will connect with this particular agent, and this agent will be able to handle or give prompts to this flow to the messaging channel. Now create a new flow. Here we have to select the omni-channel flow. First create a variable of record ID and choose the data type text and check available for input and click on done. Now we have to choose a route work component. I am labeling it as route message. Selecting the record ID, service channel will be messaging. And we want to route it to the Agentforce service agent, which is our bank agent. And the service agent will be the bank agent, right? If this agent is not available, then the question will go to the fallback queue. The queue which we have created, select that. That's it, just save the flow and activate it. Now if you refresh it, you can go to the connections and see that route messages to banking is now active. Once this connection is done, we have to create a site on which we'll upload this particular agent. So for that, just search your digital experience, go to the settings and enable your digital experiences. Site and save it. You'll reach to this interface and go to all sites. Let's create a new site. You can select your site. I am selecting Help Center. Give it a name. It will take some time. Now the site has been created, but before that, let's create a messaging channel and an embedded service channel. Now, for the messaging channel, let's go to the messaging settings. Yeah, if you're not able to see this interface, just turn on this toggle, create a new channel, select the messaging. I will give the channel name. The deployment type will be web only. The domain name will be my .site.com. Click on next and the routing type will be OmniFlow. Name the flow and fallback queue. Accept everything here and save. it takes a few minutes. As our messaging channel and deployment are created, you can see everything here. We will now go to embedded service deployment. My first messaging channel is deployed and published here. Now there is only one last step, add the CRS. For that, you just have to go to the setup and select CRS. Create a new one. We have to just give the URL. So what it means is that whenever we are deploying embedded services or messaging channels onto a site, Salesforce should allow it, so that we can use this particular component on that particular site. We just have to save it now. Now, when everything is done, let's go to the old site. Here we have this bank site. Just open it. You can go from here to the builder. From the component, you have to search for the embedded messaging and drag and drop this component here. Just publish your site. Here is our bank site. Now the Agentforce is deployed to this site. You can ask the agent anything. So I am going to ask documents required for bank opening. It will give us all the details: proof of identity, proof of address, photograph, and card. If you remember, in the last video, we discussed about the data libraries where we use the same prompt to get the data. So that is how our AI agent works live on our customer experience site. If you were able to deploy your agent successfully, then let me know in the comments. And if you faced any problems, then also let me know in the comments. I'll try to help you out. That was all for this video. We do have a few things left to discuss in Agentforce. So make sure you're subscribed to Salesforce Hulk and turn on your notifications. And if you're looking for someone to help you with implementing Agentforce in your organization, then you know where to go, right? Syntexa is running an Agentforce activation program. Check out the link in the description to connect with us. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.